Thank you, Steve. Next up, we have Rebecca Hunter.
Thank you to the Wagner Chamber for inviting us all out to speak this evening. My name is Rebecca Hunter, and I'm running for Wagner County's next Associate District Judge. My son Wyatt and I live in the Porter area. I've been an attorney for about 19 years, and those 19 years of my practice have focused on probate, guardianship, family law, and civil-related matters. I've also served as a city prosecutor for Coweta. I've worked with legal aid services and helped deprived and disadvantaged individuals. I've been fully vetted by the Department of Justice and helped numerous of our veterans across the state with disability claims and issues that they may have. I don't know if you all know what our Wagner County Associate District Judge currently does, and in lieu of talking about myself, I want to kind of educate you a little bit. Currently, by administrative order of the court, our Associate District Judge handles 50% of civil cases, 40% of the family law cases, all the probate cases, and all the guardianship cases. So at the end of 2021, the Associate's District caseload was 80%. 80% of that was these kind of cases. He had roughly 2,000 civil cases on his docket, 1,100 family and domestic cases on the docket, 1,300 probate cases on the docket, and 775 guardianship cases on the docket. That's what I've spent the last 19 years of my practice doing, and that's 80 to 85% of the docket. More civil cases are tried by a judge than criminal cases in this docket. Judge Shook, who's our Associate District Judge, has had one criminal trial in the last 3 years. So the majority of what's being tried in this position are civil cases. So I'd like you to take that into consideration as you're doing your research on who to vote for. I believe that my experience and temperament and my ability to handle high conflict situations under pressure will serve the residents of Wagner County well. And I believe that with a little research, you'll find that I'm the best candidate for the job. And that's why I'm asking for your vote on June 28th.